Welcome to this guided meditation on the law of attraction. This is part of a series of guided meditations exploring the 12 laws of the universe and also complements my recently published book, 12 Laws of the Universe, Your Quick Guide to the Essentials. A quick reference for what the 12 universal laws are, along with how to apply them to support your journey through life. In particular, the law of attraction explains that like attracts like, and you get what you focus on. It emphasizes the importance of focusing on what you want to achieve rather than what you fear and what you do not desire in your life. As we begin the meditation, get into a comfortable position, whether that be seated or lying down. Closing your eyes if you feel safe and comfortable. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and hold. Exhale. Taking another nourishing breath in, holding for a moment, and exhaling. With each series of breaths, you feel yourself relaxing and feeling ever more peaceful. Now, imagine yourself in a place that makes you feel safe and content. Maybe it's a cozy coffee shop filled with the low buzz of quiet conversations. The environment leading you to feel focused and inspired. Or maybe it's out in nature, such as a beautiful hiking trail surrounded by lush trees, with birds flying overhead and chirping cheerfully amongst themselves from their nests. As you picture yourself in that place that you find makes you feel safe, calm, and content, in front of you, visualize a cobblestone path that leads towards the most important goal for you at this point in time. This path represents your individual journey. Every step that you take forward on this path symbolizes further progress toward this very important goal. As you take that first step, picture yourself actively participating in actions that bring you closer to your definition of success. Maybe it starts with you planning for your next day before you go to sleep and waking up early to ground yourself before you leap with energy into the day ahead. Or maybe you're taking a moment to pause every hour to become mindful and aware of the thoughts, emotions, and sensations that you're feeling at those present moments before you continue with your day. Or maybe you're taking a deep breath as you finally start working on that task you've been procrastinating on. You know, that task that consumes so much of your mental energy, so that you can make a game plan for its completion and celebrate the mental space that you will reclaim. Feel the sensations associated with accomplishing that pertinent goal. The gratitude you feel in your heart, the beaming light of your smile, and the relief of your shoulders dropping as you finally have completed your goal. Take everything in: the environment, and the love and encouragement of everyone who's supporting you. As you continue your walk along the cobblestone path, you gain deeper clarity into your vision and more confidence with each step. As you continue to focus on that pertinent goal, repeat these affirmations to yourself, either silently in your mind or out loud. I am receptive to opportunities that bring me closer to my goal. My actions impactfully align with the results I desire to create. Every day, I take at least one step forward to progress towards my goals. Allow the words of these affirmations to reinforce your focus and your determination. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body, back to this room. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Gently wiggling your fingers and your toes as you continue to bring yourself back into your environment. And when you feel ready, slowly opening your eyes. I hope that you've enjoyed this guided meditation. And if you're interested in learning more about the 12 laws of the universe, I invite you to check the description for more information of my book, 12 Laws of the Universe, Your Quick Guide to the Essentials. You can also find other guided meditations on this channel through the link in the description. Also remember to like this video if you enjoyed it and to subscribe for more. Thank you for being here and see you soon.